In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or create a subtask in Jira. Understanding how to manage and organize tasks within a project using Jira can greatly enhance your workflow and productivity. Whether you're a team leader, project manager, or just someone looking to streamline their workflow, learning to create subtasks is a vital skill to have. So, let's dive in and get started with the steps. To begin, head over to the project you want to work with. This is your starting point. By selecting the correct project, you can ensure that any subtasks are associated with the right tasks and objectives, maintaining alignment with your overall project goals. Now, once you're inside your chosen project, direct your attention to the navigation menu at the top. You'll want to click on All Work. This will take you to a section where all your current tasks, subtasks, bugs, and other issue types are neatly listed, thus giving you a comprehensive view of your project's current status. Next, you need to identify and open the specific Jira issue where you intend to add a subtask. This step is crucial because the subtask you're about to create will be directly related to this main issue. Finding the right issue is key, as it ensures relevance and precision in task management. Once you've pinpointed the appropriate issue, go ahead and click on it to open up its dedicated page. Now that the issue is open, take a look under the issue's name where you'll find the Add button, nestled conveniently for easy access. This button is your gateway to adding multiple elements to your issue. In this case, it's a subtask we're after. Click on it, and you'll likely see a drop-down menu offering several options for additions. From this menu, you'll want to select Child Issue. This step is crucial because it specifically denotes that what you're adding is subordinate or directly connected to the main parent issue you've opened. It's like saying this task is a component of that larger task, thus helping to maintain clarity and organization across your workflow. With the Child Issue template now open, you can proceed to enter the details for this subtask. Here, be as specific as possible. Provide a comprehensive description of what needs to be done, assign it to the right team member, and perhaps even give it a label or due date to further categorize it. The clearer the details you provide, the easier it will be for everyone involved to track the progress and ensure the subtask is completed efficiently. Finally, after filling out all the necessary information, look for the Create button and click it. This action confirms your input and saves your new subtask, incorporating it into your broader task management system within Jira. And there you have it. You've successfully created a subtask within Jira, enhancing your project management capabilities. By following these steps carefully, you can ensure that your tasks are well organized and your team members know precisely what they need to tackle. Remember, effective task management is all about clarity and organization, and Jira's Subtask feature is an excellent tool to help achieve just that. Thanks for watching, and happy task managing!